Well, a brisk feeling as you walk outside today, that's for sure. These temperatures down into those 50s, winds out of the northwest at 12 miles per hour. But overall, when it comes to the sky cover, just a mixture of sun and clouds. But yes, this cold front really did pack quite a punch throughout the entire state. Temperatures have gone down at least a good 20 degrees from what we were 24 hours ago. 55 in Ontonagon, 52 in Ironwood, 58 in Florence. 60s are pretty much hard to find. The only area in those 60s in the UP, Escanaba at 62 degrees. And if you remember just yesterday, St. Ignace was in those upper 80s, just struggling to hit 60 degrees. So yes, very strong dip in those temperatures thanks to this cold front. Winds, though, still on the breezy side and even gusty side. Winds out of the northwest at 22 in Houghton, 16 in Munising. Not the best day to be out in those waters on Lake Superior. So if you are, you may want to hold that off till later on this week. Also, for tomorrow, we'll start seeing a reemergence of those clouds and the chance of showers very late in the day as we deal with cold front number 2. And that one's just going to reinforce the cold front that we had last night. So pretty much going to maintain that cool air intact as we go towards the first half of the weekend. Now on Friday, we're going to continue to see those afternoon temperatures take a bit more of a nosedive into those lower 50s and still deal with the last bit of those rain showers. Saturday, it's pretty much going to be the perfect day through the next couple of days as we're going to have pure sunshine, but temperatures also on the rebound. Now the cold front that we had yesterday and last night now into parts of southern lower Michigan, down towards Detroit, Indianapolis, all the way down into St. Louis, and showers and thunderstorms as far south into Oklahoma and Kansas. Now towards the northwest, clear skies throughout the Dakotas and Minnesota, and we'll eventually get some of those clearer skies as we push into tonight. But overall, dry weather at least through tomorrow afternoon as high pressure is in control through parts of the Central Plains. For tomorrow, really not moving too much. Now for us, our focus will eventually be a cold front coming in from Canada. That's going to allow for that second surge of cool air to remain for Friday and Saturday. So Friday, think about that rain gear Friday morning. By the afternoon, though, begins to clear up, and we'll have overall good amount of partly cloudy skies for Friday night, which could raise some concerns for that patchy frost. So make sure to protect that sensitive vegetation. And then Saturday, it's all about those sunglasses. But really, the weather is just going to be a little bit back and forth all the way towards early next week. So for tonight, 44 degrees, cool. And that word cool is a little bit misleading. That's only because of the fact that we did have 60s just a couple days ago. But when it comes to this 44, it's actually seasonable for this time of the year. Winds out of the northwest at 10 miles per hour. For tomorrow, still with those northwesterly winds, temperatures go into those 60s, so a bit of a warm-up compared to what we had today. 67 in Crystal Falls, 64 in Ontonagon, 66 in Manistee. Keep in mind as well that cloudiness will begin to build in towards the northwest earlier in the day and eventually spilling over towards the southeast by the late afternoon and into the early evening. 30% chance of rain on Friday, but look at that high temperature, only 54 degrees. Chilly morning on Saturday, but warming up by the time we get towards Sunday and Monday.